Welcome to Alexa's Ranch. So I was debating about making this movie or not, about putting air in your tires, how to do this, because it's such a simple thing to do. But I thought, if you're like me, I just recently learned this and I had to be 54 years old to learn this, because no one ever taught me, and I always had someone who took care of my tires. So that's not true anymore, and so it was high time, I thought, for me to learn this, and so I thought I would pass this on to you today. So here we go. So this is how small these little portable inflators are. I always carry one with me in the car, especially here in the countryside. Their gas stations are far to come by sometimes, so it's really nice and handy to have. And you can use them for not only car tires, but for bicycle tires and small inflatables and balls. And here on the screen it will tell you the PSI number, which is it stands for pounds per square inch, and so this is just the unit measurement, that refers to the air pressure that's within your tire, so you know when to stop. So in the information, how much tire pressure your car needs, you can either find the door jamb to your driver's door, or in the inside of your fuel door, or in your owner's manual. So here in my case, I have it in my door jamb on my side, and we can see here, I know this is sort of sideways for you, but it says front, and then rear, and then your spare. And then if we go up here to the PSI, we see we need 35 for the front, 43 for the back, and then 43 should be on the spare tire. So that's really important to check out before we start. So you want to start your car, and you want to take your cigarette lighter out and place this thing here in there, and then it comes on. Oh, it's so bright. There you go. Okay, so now I'm coming from this side, and I'm going to remove the little top here. And these have a tendency to fly away or roll away, so make sure you keep this in a safe spot. And then I'm going to place this on here, and I'm going to flip this little latch over, and that will secure it. And now let's see what the gauge says. So it says we have 37 psi. I think it said on the back we need 43, so let's just add a little bit more here. Go. And then we're just gonna turn this on and give it a minute. Okay. Now we can take this off. And we are good to go. It's gotten a little warm out here. And then we have our spare tire, which I have to assume would be a good idea to have it checked right on a regular basis. But for all of you out there who've done this a lot longer than I have, let us know in the comments. And yeah, thank you for spending time with me here today at Alexa's Ranch, and I will see you soon. Bye.